gosh. No way is he actually doing. No way. Let's go, baby! That's right! You don't give up! Let's go! The hill threw me down, I got up, let's go! Alright, starting off the video, my buddy got a new truck over here. Finally has something to haul the bikes with other than a minivan. So while we're in the truck still, we figured we might as well get Powerline's trail. Little easy 4x4 trail, because why not? We're in trucks. This trail, most supers can drive down, but hey, why not take the truck down it? Except for these bumps. Stock suspension probably wouldn't like that going over them at speed. You know something that will? The Bronco. The Bronco's gonna love this stuff. It's gonna eat it up. Easiest trail. Yeah, need to find some harder ones. Look at that beast. You wanna talk about an off-road rig? That's it right there. All right, quick, fun little trail there in the trucks. Definitely can't wait until I get an actual 4x4 for that stuff, but let's go ahead and get geared up, get on the bikes. We got the KX of course today and the CR250R, and that means it's gonna get competitive because we're both on big bikes and it's 2-stroke versus 4-stroke. You know how that goes. The 4-stroke usually pulls out ahead, so it's a good thing this 4-stroke's fast enough to whip the water off of it. 2-stroker already using his tactics, putting water on my bike. Unbelievable. On to our adventure. Today, this is gonna be a hill climb day apparently. First, we're gonna start off with the easy hill climb trail, I guess. Here we go, on to our first trail, Happy Meal. Which makes sense compared to everything else we're doing because this trail is way easier. See what I'm talking about with these ruts here? Alright, first trail is done. Like I said, the easy one. Now the next one is a little bit tougher. It's got a bigger hill climb on there. You guys are about to see that. It was in my KX450X first ride video. If you guys saw that, made it up just fine on the KX450. They blocked it. You can go over here. The KX is wider. Oh, that's nice, right on the peg. Yeah, you're skinnier. Good thing I've been working out. The KX is only 250. And here's the hill climb. Here we go. Oh yeah, like cake. Look at this guy, just lugging up 2-stroke things. Whoa, they changed the jump. Okay, hill climb number 1 done. Next hill climb is a single track hill climb. See if we can't get up there this time. We haven't made it up this single track hill climb, so today will be a good day to try it out. Looks like the Forest Service has gotten this trail ready for summer for some 4x4s. Hopefully mine arrives before then. Okay everybody, onward to our next trail. This one is a little bit higher speed, and then I'll let you guys know when we get to the single track. Oh, look at that, steering with the rear end. Oh. Popped the front wheel up and almost went off the edge there. Not my brightest ideas, and now my friend has passed me, and we gotta catch him. Easy money. Alright, my friend didn't realize I was changing my battery. Now he's stuck. So, we shall see what type of predicament he is in. I can see this single track hasn't been fixed yet. Looks like the right side is still the line to go to.
I didn't know that. If I go right on that route and flip left, I can get up.
Yes.
That's why I backed up to get another stop, but...
We gotta make it.
Oh yeah, we gotta make it. Doesn't look that hard either. Got up this.
You might just need to take another run at it. Start down there, and you're gonna come all the way up here, up there. Doesn't look like much, but let's get to ground level and see if you guys can understand. Yeah, maybe that shows it better, I don't know. Let's go. Get the momentum going.
Yeah.
It's that bump. It ain't happening. If I could just get past that, I'd be fine. Without the drama, you know?
Yeah. No way is he actually doing. No way. What an ass. I walked all the way down. What an absolute ass.
Let's go, baby! That's right! You don't give up! Let's go! Let's go! That's freaking right! Woo! That's right, baby! You keep going! The hill threw me down, I got up, let's go! Alright, I made it up. Now, we gotta get my buddy up here. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go! Alright, gotta get it up. Tell you what, I'm so hyped that I made it up. I was about to give up on that last try after I fell, but tried one more, didn't have enough momentum, tried again. I was gonna let this hill toss me around, baby. Just give it the momentum. Give it the beans. Go, 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 go. Attaboy! About to give up. Let this be a lesson. All right, here we go on the rest of the single track to see finally get to see what this is all about. This single track's nice because it's more forgiving than the usual single track we do. Now this is some nice flowy single track if you ask me. All right, last hill climb of the day. Gonna make it all the way up there. And well, let's do it. Let's finish it. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh man. What a way to end the day. Okay, you guys know the deal. Going up to the top back to back. Oh yeah, what a view. Alright guys, what a day out on the KX and the CR. We conquered the hill climb, not without some battle scars, but hey, that's part of riding. I'm just glad we made it up. Today was just a challenging, technical hill climb day on the KX. But give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it or find it useful. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action. If you're into motorsports, you're in the right place. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.